GenX!
got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thank Him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in the plate. I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running.
The combatants are locked inside Hell in a Cell. This is a nightmare no one can escape.
Abandon hope, all ye who enter here. A score will be settled tonight.
And only one competitor will survive the Devil's Playground. Saw what he had in mind there.
Head scissors.
Round and round we go.
Head scissors takedown.
Very nice.
He's not looking good here, guys. Wicked clothesline. Showing a lot of fury with these attacks.
He's taking charge here. Look at this.
Here's the quickness and agility.
Going up top. Look out here. He's got... Look out.
What a frog splash. And he misses big time right there.
Huge toss.
Big. A spectacular maneuver.
This deep into a match is where trouble rises, where injuries may occur. You got to think long-term and consider your future fights.
And I guarantee you that throwing in the towel is the furthest thing these superstars are thinking about.
And scissors takedown.
Very nice.
To the gut.
I know what's next.
Right to the back of the neck.
Oh, look at this awesome Sicilian barrage.
Like a buffet of punches.
Boom, right on the ear, the enziguri.
Kick hits the mark.
He's lost some of his wind now.
Look, this is Hell in a Cell. The hurting has only just begun for him.
Big reversal.
Gets him with a counter.
Nice striking combination.
You build momentum. You look for victory. Every superstar is trying to do that when they step in the ring.
Great reflexes. 2-on-1 face breaker.
He's going for it all.
He's trying again. Moonsault. Meet him at the pay window.
That would land him, that's for sure. And he got one there.
A striking blow. Listen to this place. Scoop slam. Going to the top, high risk. Incoming.
What an incredible moonsault.
These competitors are just trying to stay under control. Reversal! What a counter! If you're just tuning in, this is Hell in a Cell. He's taken to the outside. You know, these guys are giving it absolutely everything they've got.
Up and face first, flapjack.
He's stalking his opponent from the look at this. Incredible athleticism. He is efficient and dangerous with his offense thus far.
That's what he does. Keep on the attack.
Keep your eyes on this one.
Here we go.
Moonsault!
1, 2, 3.
Oh my God, he's done it. He scored the win. Now's a good time to look at some of the highlights from that last matchup.
Here is your winner, the Superstar, Gregory.
And there's your winner here in this singles match.
Hey, they both gave it their all, but in the end, we were left with the best man standing.
And guys, that's exactly the type of action viewers come to expect here at Hell in a Cell.